Hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Java Mantra. Here I am going to start a fresh playlist on Java Collection Framework. Here I am going to upload one video on Java Collection Framework each day. To learn about Collection Framework, first we need to know about what is collection, the meaning of collection here, right? The general meaning of collection is collecting any object, pen, pencil, key, and putting them together is known as collection. According to above statement, collection is nothing but a container that can hold one or more objects together, just like here. One key. Here we can keep many keys, but to keep all the keys together, we need this ring. And here we can call this ring as collection. But in Java, array can also keep many elements together and store in continuous memory location. Then there is array in Java. Then why Oracle Corporation introduced collection framework? We will know in next slide. This is suspense. Need of collection framework is in Java. The disadvantages of array leads to introduction of collection framework in Java. Some of the disadvantages of array are: array is fixed in size. Suppose we created array of size 5, int arr equal to int arr of 5, right? Here we have to write new to create the object. New arr of 5, right? And we created array of 5 size, and we want to store 8 element. Then we can't store 8 element because array can't grow its size during runtime. That's why collection come into picture. Another disadvantage of array is memory wastage. Suppose we created the size of array 5 and we want to store only one element here, right? But the rest of the 4 memory location is going to be wasted. After that, array can store only homogeneous data. We can't store heterogeneous data except when we are taking object as data type while creating the array. Here we have created array of data type integer, but we want to store double. We can't store, right? We can store heterogeneous data also, but for that we have to create object array. And this is not recommended. After that, another disadvantage is no built-in method support for manipulation of data. Suppose we have stored 5 element in the array. We want to sort the array. We want to sort the element. We want to search the element. We want to insert the element. There is no method support to do all these operations. We need to do manually. It is time taking. That's why our collection framework come into picture. Introduction to collection framework. Collection framework is introduced to overcome the disadvantages of array in Java. Collection is nothing but storing one or more object in container. Here container is class. In collection, when we are working with single object, means we are working with implementation class of collection interface. When we want to work with group of object, means we are working with implementation class of map interface. We can say the ring which is keeping the keys together is nothing but collection framework or array in Java. Here array is disadvantage. That's why collection framework is famous. Hierarchy of collection framework. First, iterable is the most super interface of collection framework. It has 3 methods. We will learn all those methods. After that, collection is in the second. Collection interface has three sub interface: list, set, and queue. List can store duplicate element and null also, but set can't store duplicate element. It can store only unique element. Queue stores data in the form of first in first out. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.